All right, so what is NFC on your Android phone? Well, NFC stands for Near Field Communication, and it's a short range wireless technology that allows your Android phone to instantly communicate with other devices, payment terminals, or smart tags when placed nearby, usually within a couple of inches or about 4 to 5 centimeters. And the cool thing about NFC is that it requires no manual pairing or setup. The connection happens automatically the second your phone gets close enough to that other device. So next you're going to ask, what can you actually do with this? It's great for contactless payments. If you use Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet like I have on this Samsung phone, you can just hold your phone next to a card reader at checkout and it'll pay instantly without needing your physical credit card. You can also use NFC tags, these inexpensive tiny stickers or plastic tokens that trigger certain actions on your phone. So you could tap tag or sticker like that, and your phone could, for example, automatically connect to a guest Wi-Fi network without typing a password. Or you could have an NFC tag that shares digital business cards, website links, or contact info. One popular device that uses NFC is Apple's AirTag. Android, of course, doesn't work with AirTags for tracking your own items, but if you find an AirTag or an item with one attached and it's been put in lost mode, you can tap that AirTag on your Android phone and it'll show the owner's info. This one doesn't do it right now since it's mine and it's not lost, but it works great when it's needed. Also, many Bluetooth headphones, speakers, and cameras use NFC for quick pairing. If you want to see whether NFC is turned on or off on your phone, we can do that through Settings. I'll go to Settings, then we'll go to either Connected Devices or Connections, depending on your phone. On my Samsung phone, it's under Connections. And here I have NFC and contactless payments. I can just toggle it on or off. If I go in here, I have some other options. I could choose my default wallet app, the popular ones being Google Wallet and Samsung Wallet, though there are others too. Having NFC turned on doesn't really drain battery. It consumes almost zero power while idle and only draws a tiny fraction of power for a millisecond when it's actually interacting with a tag or reader. And if you're wondering whether this is safe for payments, it's extremely safe. Tap to Pay using NFC uses something called tokenization, meaning your actual credit card number is never transmitted or stored on the merchant's terminal. And these transactions won't process unless your phone is unlocked. So if someone steals your phone, they can't use it for payments without unlocking it first. So it's actually more secure than using a traditional credit or debit card for payments. Anyways, that is NFC in a nutshell. Go give it a try. It's awesome. And of course, click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you found this useful.